Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to this edition of Growing Wisdom. Today we're talking about Mahonia. In this video, I'm talking about Mahonia, but you could apply what I'm talking about to other marginally hardy plants in your area. So what do I mean by marginally hardy? So this particular plant has been here for several years. There's no problem. It comes back every year. I grow it because I love the leaves. If you look at the leaves, they're wonderful. They're shiny. They're a little prickly, so they're tough to work with, but it's a nice foundation plant. It doesn't get too big. It's easily pruned, and it has flowers. The problem is that the flowers get blasted, and I use that term meteorologically, by the cold. What happens is that the flower buds when the temperatures get down under 15, 10, towards 0, they basically just get blackened and they don't bloom. If you're ever in England, for example, during March and walking around the streets of London, you'll definitely notice these blooming, and they smell fantastic. So what you can try to do is cover the blooms, or the entire plant as the case may be, to protect it enough so that the blooms don't get blasted. So you might be wondering, what am I using to cover this with? And we have row cover. This is something used as a frost barrier. The frost barrier protects the plant from the strong wind as well as winter burn with the sun. And you can see we've got two different types here. But that's basically what you're looking for, is a frost barrier to cover your plants with. You can even do this with certain varieties of rhododendron or hydrangeas. They also sometimes can get blasted. The plant itself is fine. They'll get leaves, but you'll lose the flowers. If you look closely at the buds, you can already see there's a tinge of yellow, and this will be a beautiful yellow flower, and the scent is fantastic. So we're going to try to keep these going through the winter. Some years we're successful, other years we're not, but we know that by covering the blooms a little bit, we have a much better chance of seeing flowers in the spring. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.